Two titans in AI automation. One question: which solution truly leads the way in 2025? On the left, n8n, visual automation for modern teams, and on the right, LangChain, the developer toolchain for LLM apps. Let's skip the hype words and dive straight into what really matters. Each feature gets scored, and by the end you'll have a crystal clear winner. The result might just catch you off guard. Okay, quick map of what we're gonna look at. Core focus: AI and LLM capabilities, integrations, UX and ease of use, pricing, best for, and custom code extensibility. If you've got your favorite category in mind, stick around, because some matchups are closer than you think. Let's kick off with core focus. So n8n is all about that visual interface, drag and drop, automate your business flows, integrate a stack of SaaS apps and keep it pretty accessible. It's seriously nice for teams who want power but don't want to code every tiny thing. But yeah, if you're after deeply orchestrated LLM logic, it's kinda not their bread and butter. On the flip side, LangChain. Think code first, total builder's playground. You want agents, memory, super custom architectures for LLM-powered stuff? LangChain's got you. But here's the catch: if you want that slick, visual flow, you might be disappointed. You're in the code zone here, so both score high for their own focus, but honestly, it's a tie. They just serve different crowds. Next up, AI and LLM capabilities. With n8n, you can hook into LLMs. They've got HTTP nodes, plugins, and you can write custom JS or Python. It works, but it's not like natively designed for wrangling your LLM or managing agents. You'll hit walls if you want advanced stuff. LangChain, though, this is where things get wild. It's built for LLMs. Chains, memory, retrieval systems all baked in. Fine-grained control, experiment with prompts, switch models in code. Seriously, it's the developer's dream here. But no drag-drop builder, just pure code. Winner for AI is pretty clear. LangChain takes the crown. Let's talk integrations. n8n basically flexes here, over 350 native integrations covering all the classics: Slack, Notion, GitHub, you name it. If your business lives on SaaS, n8n makes it plug and play. It's not Zapier level, but still, for most use cases, you're set. LangChain's a bit different, no limits if you can code. You can hook in literally anything via APIs, SDKs, the sky's the limit. But every connector needs manual coding. If you're technical, sounds cool, but for business ops, kinda a slog. So for out-of-the-box integrations, n8n is definitely the winner here. Oh, and here's something cool, bit of trivia. n8n's mascot is a chameleon named Walter, and he's actually kind of adorable. Meanwhile, LangChain's logo, if you stare at it, kind of hints at neural connections. Totally nerdy, but I love that stuff. Alright, UX and ease of use. n8n, honestly, it's one of the best for accessibility. The workflow builder is visual, so even if you're not a hardcore dev, you can ship stuff pretty fast. Of course, some tricky logic still needs a sprinkle of code, but you don't have to be a wizard. LangChain, meanwhile, well, let's just say if your idea of fun is Python scripts and Git commits, you'll love it. Total flexibility for developers, sure, but learning curve is steep, and it's not exactly friendly to non-coders. Clear win for n8n. Let's get brutally honest about pricing. n8n has a free self-hosted tier that's actually legit. You get unlimited workflows and all the core stuff. Paid cloud plans start at $24 a month. The fees mostly relate to how much you execute, not just API calls. Some enterprise goodies are paywalled, but for small teams or DIYers, pretty generous. LangChain's base SDK is free too if you host yourself, and you really only pay for your infrastructure and whatever LLM API you call. There is this LangSmith monitoring that starts at $39 if you want extra features. Only caveat: if you go wild with LLMs, your cloud model costs can get spicy fast. So it's a tie, both can be crazy affordable or expensive if you scale. Who are they best for? Here, where things split cleanly. n8n is the go-to for system integrators, ops teams, anyone building out business workflows across SaaS. Basically, you want automation without going too deep in code. LangChain attracts LLM app builders, prompt engineering nerds, data scientists, anyone who wants total control over AI applications. Couldn't pick one, they're both best in their zones. We call it a tie. Last up, custom code and extensibility. n8n lets you drop in custom function nodes, JavaScript, Python, plus you can use plugins for extra power. It's flexible, but frankly, for the really out there asterisk scenarios, you might need workarounds or clever hacks. Now LangChain, no limits, everything is code. You want to build something custom, you code it, and with Python plus Git it's developer heaven for extensibility. The catch though is all that flexibility needs developer time, lots of it, but hey, for pure extensibility, LangChain definitely wins. If you map their strengths on a radar chart, you'll see n8n kinda dominates in integrations, UX, and business workflow stuff. LangChain spikes hard for AI, custom code, and developer focus. So pick what fits your project. Here's the real talk. If you want to whip up some powerful business automations without getting buried in code, n8n's the move. But if your ambition is to build an insane, custom LLM-powered app and you love writing Python, LangChain's unreal. Honestly, just try both and see where your comfort zone is. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.